Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to change fingerprint animation, then here's some information for you. Actually, you can't change fingerprint animation. Samsung S25 Ultra doesn't have any feature that can help you to change your fingerprint animation. Like, I have a fingerprint on my device. If I give a fingerprint on my device, it just give me a basic animation, that a default animation on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. But if I go to here, and then from here in the fingerprint section, there is no options that can help you to change the fingerprint animation for you on your S25 Ultra. Only thing you can do is show animation while unlocking. You can turn on the animation by this toggle button and turn off the animation by tap on this toggle button again on your fingerprint and on your lock screen. That's how you can just turn on and turn off fingerprint animation, but there is no option, or you can't change your fingerprint animation on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. But you can take help from some third-party application that can help you to do that, but that's not recommended for this video. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.